Alright guys, it is Daytime Solo here, bringing you another video. Should I say? Nah. Alright guys, it's Daytime Solo here, bringing you a how-to video on how to get Windows 10. So, for this, you will need to get an application which is called VMware, which you can download it from this site. The link will be in the description. You get the trials version, so like, you have Windows 10, you have Windows or Linux 32-bit, get the Windows 32-bit, Linux 32-bit, or Linux 64-bit, whatever bit your computer is, or just get it for Windows. Doesn't matter what one you get it for on Windows, because it's just the same. So you just get the trial. For anyone, just click download. There's also a key. It's called VMware Workstation anyway. As I put the key link in the description for you below, which you'll see in a couple of seconds. So that's what it looks like. You'll be greeted with this after you do the on-screen thingy-mabobs. But like, first of all, you need to put the keys in there. That will be in the description, as I said before. You just go in there, copy and paste one into where it says the thing, and now you'd be greeted with this. Create a virtual machine. Connect to a remote server or physical machine. Software. You're like, what do I connect to? Don't worry, just do connect a new virtual machine, and then do recommended if you're not that computer smart. But if you are and you want to spend as little time, just do create typical, all that. So if you have a disk on there, you just go on the first one for disk, but as you followed me, you won't have the disk, you'll have an ISO. So you just go into where you downloaded it to, click open. It will say it doesn't know what one it is. Don't worry, as it's Windows 10, you just choose the latest version of Windows at your time. So it's Windows 8 for me now, and as it's the 64-bit version, you click the 64-bit version. But if you have the 32-bit version, just click the 32-bit version. To find out how to, for Windows 8.1, there is two ways. The first way, right click on the Windows icon, go up to Systems, click on System, and this will pop up. So there it says 64-bit operating system, 64-bit based processor, and if it has 32-bit, it will say 32-bit operating system and 32-bit based processor. You see that? And the other ways, you go in the chance menu, settings, PC info, and it's there. For Windows 7, you just go on Start, right click Computer, Properties or Manager, and then it's Properties on here, so I'm pretty sure it's Properties on Windows 7. So you just do that, and it pops up there. It's all great. So now we click Next. Now, as I have a 64-bit version first, I click 64-bit version, and you just go Next. Just name it whatever you want. I'm just going to keep it a default as it said. It already has two in there because I created one before to see, but I didn't really download it and all that. I just created that. So now you click Next, then you click the gig of RAM. I'm just going to keep it 60 gigs. If you want more, like you're going to use it more than that, you just put like 10 or however much gigs you want in there. Here's where you customize it. So I'm going to give it about 3 gigabytes or 2.9 gig of RAM, because I don't know the exact thingy for 3 gigs is. So I'm just going to keep it like that. I'm going to change it so it's 2 processors. I don't know why. I don't know. Yeah, so it's 2 processors. And here we go. And now we click close, because we're done. We changed it to 2 processors. Click finish. Click on there. Click start. Power. And just make sure that says where the directory of where your thingy was, so you know it's the right one. Click start. I'm just gonna make it so it's bigger, and here it is. This is just saying what peripherals you have in, like your keyboard, mouse, and headset. If you have a headset as it's plugged in, just click OK. But if you don't want to show that hints again, just click it like that and click OK. But I'm gonna unclick it and leave it off for the time being. This is if you once Windows 8 64-bit's done, just click I finished installing, so it knows. I don't know why, but anyway, so I'm just going to click I finished it. I'm not in the United States. Oh, Looks like there's only the United States. I wonder if there's the United Kingdom in there, which there is. So I'm going to change that to United Kingdom. My keyboard is United Kingdom. Still United States language. But anyway, we're going to install it now. And this will be speeded up. Oh yeah, to get the disc while I'm thinking about it, make sure, go on this site, link will be in the description. Make sure you get your product key handy so you can just copy and paste it in there so you remember it for next time. So now we click I accept the terms and conditions after of course you read through it, 'cause you have to read through it so you know if it's right or not. But as I'm a fast reader, I can just read through it like that. So it's saying blah 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 blah. Exactly. So you update it, or you just click advanced, click on that. As you haven't got Windows 7 on there, Windows 8 and that, just click new. And that, and now, time to fast forward, because I don't know how long it's going to be. Of course the first one's quite fast and the rest are fast. It's just the getting the files ready for installation. So I'm going to be back in a couple of seconds. It's ready, it's like 90%, which should be all good and proper soon. And now we have got the features. Now the features is installed. Now we're just waiting for the installing the updates, which could be long or short. We do not know. It's just come out a couple of weeks ago, or last week, or a couple of days ago. I don't know. It came out not that long ago. And now we're just finishing up. I'm sorry if you can hear my chair squeaking. I should oil it up or something. I don't know. Don't know why it's doing that. Not sure why. But there we go. We're restarting, just like every time you install it. So we just wait for it to restart. Where's that? What are these? Oh, here are all the drivers. So that's probably what I need to do. So I just spam click that and install it. Make sure that you logged into the guest operating system. If you do not see VMware tools installing, press the Windows logo and R, then enter setup.exe, where D is your virtual machine drive. Okay, just leave that. No, it's getting the device ready now. So soon we'll be able to use 10.0. Whoop, whoop. 10.0. What am I doing? Am I playing am I on iOS? No, I'm on Windows. It's not 10.0. What am I on about? What am I on about? 10.0. No one knows, not even me. Just getting this ready. There we go. It's restarted again, and we're getting ready to use it. Bam. Alright, let's hope it works. Let's see. Let's just wait for it to load. Might take a couple of minutes. I don't know why. Sorry about that. And there we go. Next, you'll set up your account. Looks like it's crashed. It's not working. Oh, there we go. It's working now. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. It's working. And there we go. Sign into your Microsoft account. Obviously, this will be blocked, so you can't see it. There you go. Just signing in. Of course, this is all created from Windows 9 upwards. It's probably going to be linked to your account anyway. So, yeah. Always be on your account. There you go. You probably needed a code or something to do, or like a backup address, like your parents' email addresses or that. So I need to quickly type that in because it's gonna go. I wonder if that's gonna work because it just changed. Ah, it's working now. Of course it is, because if it would say it wasn't working, it'd say it's the wrong code. How should we set up so I can have a last save? I didn't know I had a backup. 10th of the 4th. Oh, that was like years ago. Don't worry. So OneDrive is your cloud storage. Your camera roll and PC settings will automatically be backed up to the cloud, and new documents you create will be saved to your OneDrive default. This way you can get them from any device, even if something happens to your PC. Personally, I like cloud storage because, let's say, like you're doing a document or like your exam or something like that, an essay and all that, and you're like doing it, like the next day you put on like a USB stick or something, and like it falls out your pocket because that can easily happen, or you leave it at home or something. You like go in school and be like touching your pocket's like, where's my USB stick? It's not there. I've lost my USB stick. Where is it? Be like scam trying to be like, oh no, oh damn, it's at home, isn't it? Where it fell on the ground. But if you have OneDrive or Google Drive or whatever drive there is, you just be like, oh yeah, oh no, I've lost my stick. Oh, it's okay. It's on OneDrive. Can I quickly sign into OneDrive and get it back, get it down and print it off here, please? They'll be like, mainly they'll be like, yeah, sure, as long as it's here by like half an hour or an hour or something like that, that'd be like fine. But if you don't want to, you can just disable it on here like that. But I'm a fan of it, so I'm gonna have finalize. So I'm gonna click next and go, even though I've already clicked next like a couple of minutes ago, but still, because I was lecturing you about OneDrive and cloud storage. There you are, your account here. Welcome, Jack. Obviously, there'll be like 3 pieces of info, which will be blurred for security reasons. Signed in. Hello, or hi, as you want us to call it. We're setting things up for you. Cheers. Wonder if there'd be a tutorial like last time. You can get new apps from the App Store, installing your apps. Wonder if say, like Windows 8, it was obviously the charm and you put it in the top right corner and that. Your charm scalp. I wonder if it'd be here. Let's start. Alright, we'll go. We'll start. Let's go. Here it is. It's Windows. It's small. Let's just see if I can change it to 1080p. Doesn't look like there's no borders around the outside. Well, I haven't got a 4K monitor. What's it on about? A 1080p. Apply. Will it work? Yes. It worked. Keep settings. That's good. Right, so let's try and get rid of the things next to that because I don't like it. So what is this? Use peak to provide. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'd like that on. Thank you. I don't know why I got it off. Forgot what it was. Can I change it here? No. No, it's somewhere. Oh well. I'm not sure. I'll just keep that for the time being. And now, look. Let's see if I can get rid of that. No. No. Okay. Anyway, look, if you look down there, thingy's changed. And like I said before, it's on network. It's wired. Like I said, like anything on a virtual machine would be wired because it'd be through your thing. Because they're thinking it's through your LAN to your computer. So basically, you just say like you plug in your Xbox to your computer and you have to bridge it. It's a LAN on there. That's basically what they've done on here. Here's the new start menu. Windows feedback is there. That's all the apps. Let's see what Netflix. That's probably there because, you know, it was installed on my computer. Have a look, OneNote and all that. Nice. Yeah, I think the ones in brackets installed was pre-installed, but the others were not. But Fruit Ninja's probably pre-installed because, yeah. Anyway, video, to see that, does it search for others? Well, that's obviously in the Windows Store, pre-downloaded. Let's see, YouTube or something like that. Search YouTube if it's like that. Yep. Oh, okay. Searches your thing and that. I wonder if it searched like OneDrive in that, because I think I saw something from OneDrive. Let's just search last film. What my last film was. Oh yeah, it does. It sees it from OneDrive as well. So that's good. Here's the file explorer and games and paint, sticky notes and all that. What's here? Oh, that's nice. The frequent ones there, so it's documents and all that. So it'll show you to your documents. You can personalize it. It just takes you to the color and all that. We'll look at that later. So there's no border, but it does look like that there is some glowing effect underneath it to make it stand out. So when I click off it, the glowing dims down, and that's a bit like that. If you can see that, which I can, full screen it, looks kind of the same basically. Just do what everyone does with a new Windows machine. That's why I spelled Chrome wrong. Chrome. Google Chrome. Did I spell? Yeah, Google Chrome. Okay. Chrome after Chambers. Oh, it didn't say Chambers, did it? Am I going back or just log it off? I just don't know. I didn't see that. It's freaky. Have a look at that in a minute. Here we go. Time. It says it's 6:56 p.m. Probably correct. There's the system here. Saying that it's using 2 processors and 3 GB of RAM. And I've got a 64-bit computer. 2 processors, they're both running at 3.19 GHz. And that's my computer name, and because that's what it called as. Yeah. And then I don't remember putting in a product key, but I will. Windows technical preview down there. Let's have a look at. Did that just like flying from the top to bottom? That's what it looked like. Sensors. Yes, because it's next gen, isn't it? You get sensors now, probably. Yeah, this is just have a little look around. Close that. Let's have a look at the new library. Not a lot's changed apart from the new thing. I wonder if you can just do that. Yeah, I was like, just see it like scooms in. I could do this forever. Doesn't look anything when it closes, but oh well. With them, can you put OneDrive? Oh yeah, you can. In the favorites, just drag and drop OneDrive in there, or wherever your favorites are. Just drop them in there so it's easier. On the home bit, bam, OneDrive. Obviously, blurred. OneDrive in that. Downloads, nothing in there because I haven't downloaded anything. Full screen it. Still looks quite nice. Quite smooth it looks like. They've changed the network and the home group and this PC icon. Also they've changed the desktop icon and they've added home, but the rest looks the same. So it's quite a big thing, isn't it? Because 60 gig is used, 60 gig cap, and it's used, and there's 40 megabytes free. I believe that's what it said. And you get more folders in the 32 in systems, in Windows. You get more folders. Let's close that. Let's go back in the Windows thing and have a little look. Maybe not. You get that up? Okay. Metro up again. And that's the touch keyboard. Pretty sure that won't be the. Pretty sure that won't be the. It's actually a PC. This is a new feature in here. It's a new feature. The bottom bit at the bottom. Bottom bit at the bottom. That's very descriptive. To the left, to the right. to the right. To the right of this magnet, that's the air search thing. And that keyboard there, sorry I didn't say that earlier, but that was probably won't be there once it knows it's a computer. It'll be there on the surfaces, and you can't make it any smaller in height, so going up, but you can make it bigger. And also, it's no border, but this looks like it's got a little border on the side, but that could be because it wasn't really made well. No offense, Microsoft, if you're watching this. Of course it's made well, but like, you was rushing it or something, like you usually do, because that's why it's called 10, I'm presuming, because Windows 9 would be bad, because it's gone in the steps. Vista XP, good. Vista, crap. Windows 7, good. Windows 8, crap. Windows 8.1, good. Windows 9, as that chain was going on, we'll probably presume it crap, but now it's Windows 10. It's changed, skipping that, so it's going with Windows 10, so it's skipping the crap one, going to good, so I'm pretty sure that's why they've done it. So the standard window thing is still there, and you now have desktops at the bottom there, so you can have multiple desktops like your work and home one. But it looks like it's already open, but that one could be in another desktop. But if you open it, it goes back to that one, which I'm kind of not really a fan of, because let's say you have your work, you're working at one and you're gaming on the other, so yeah, all your work stuff open on that one. You go onto the other desktop and you want your game and stuff, but no, you accidentally click on something which is open on your work one. But like, no, that's your work one. Now I'm trying to get rid of this, but me being dumb, me don't know how to. What I do now, you just go on like VM and then you click something. No, you click on view, and you click something. Don't take anything from there. There's a snapshot. Manage. Anything there? No. Settings. Is it in the settings? Nope. Display. Auto direct. Can I have it? So you can have it too, but I don't think you can on this. At this time. Well, I don't think you can on VMware. But I'm not sure. But anyways, just see if I can change it. No. There is a shared folders, but when I clicked on that, I couldn't share it for some reason. I'm not sure why. It might be because there's no personal folders on there, but I'm not sure. So I'm just sharing the time now, 7:02. I think it didn't. I don't think it changed at all. Probably should have looked there before, but hey ho. Now I'm looking on mine. Yep, that's the same time. Just moving it down. I couldn't see because Shadowplay has it in the bottom right corner because that's what I've set it to. What is that? That's the thing. Oh, it just sends you to Windows technical preview video about it, how to, and all that, which is quite right. So that's Control-Alt-Delete. Still the same as it was in Windows 7 and Windows 8 and 8.1 and Vista and XP and all the rest. There's a little video there. Because I was like searching through Google one day and I saw that pop up. I was like, what? Windows 10? Clicked on it. Oh my god, it's out. So I got it. I was like, damn, it's not working in VirtualBox. I was like, why not? That looks kind of nice. So now that's Google Chrome. Just download Chrome now. And accept and install like everyone does. We'll wait for that to install. Still waiting for it to install. Just run it because you don't need to save it. Don't know why. That's no border on the admin, which is still nice. So on your marks, so yeah, on your marks, go. So while we're waiting for that to install, as you see that clicky thing there, that checkbox, you just get rid of it by searching folder options, and it pops up there. And then you go on view, you scroll down, and it says checkboxes somewhere. If you scroll down there, you can just see checkboxes here, here. But as Google Chrome pops up, it takes me away from that. You go, use checkboxes, click apply, it refreshes that. And you click on it, there's no checkboxes, but as I quite like it, so I'm gonna put it back on and apply. It refreshes again, and you can see it. Take it off, refresh it. Refreshes and it's gone. But I'm going to keep it on as I like it, as I just previously said. So there you go, Chrome is almost ready. Click next, pop up saying what one do you want as your default. Google Chrome, and there we go. There's the old Google Chrome. It that hasn't changed. I wonder if they're gonna search for an update for it. Oh, it's changed back to my desktop. Wonder if it's gonna have an update for it for Windows 10. I hope so. See what that does. See what that does to see if it fixes it. Obviously not. No, let's just go full screen. Just click full screen. Full screen. Thank you. And now, go on exclusive mode. That'd be fine. No, exclusive mode. No, exclusive mode. Full screen. Exclusive mode. Yes. There we go. That's how you get rid of it. So you just full screen it, and it just looks the same. Also, I didn't mention about the snap thing. They have better snaps, so if you snap it on one side, you can have like up to 4, 5. I'm not sure how much snaps you can have. So you have a snap on the right side, and you can have a half snap on the left side. So let's say you have Word open on the right, and you have like one Google thing up, and you need 2 to look at. You can do that now. So it's easier snapping it. So I wonder if you right click it, it just sends you back there. So if you right click it and go on a new one, I wonder if that works. I wonder. Guess we'll soon go find out. Desktop, there's nothing on the desktop, which is surprising because Recyclabin and all that is on there. So I right click it, File Manager, choose Open, but I think it stayed on the one, I think. I hope it has, because if it hasn't, that'd be a terrible idea for the old Microsoft. So let's just have a little look. Open up, open up. Oh, it has. That's good. Okay. I like that. I likey. Liking it. Thank you all for watching. Please like, rate, comment, subscribe, and all that other good stuff. Dislike the video if you disliked it. Leave a comment why you disliked it, and I'll work on it next time. Bye.